Hi you guys, what's up? How are you all? It's been 1 month I haven't posted any video on YouTube. I was having exams and all of that. So yeah, finally I'm here today with another haul video. This is a Bath and Body Works and Amazon haul. The Bath and Body Works sale is still going on in case you want to get any products. So I got a few products that I was eyeing on since a very long time. I didn't buy because they are freaking expensive, but on sale they are like kind of reasonable. They're like 40 to 60% off that went on, and that's when I got all these products. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So the first product is this candle in the variant Peach Bellini. So this smells exactly like peaches. So this is a 3-wick candle. This smells heaven. This was originally for rupees 2599. This is on 50% off and I got it for rupees 1250. When I went to buy this candle, I haven't seen the fragrance of the candle. I just thought it would go well with the vibe of the background. So the next candle is this sweet pea. This is also for rupees 2599 and on 50% off I got it for 1300 rupees. This is like a floral fragrance. So the next product we have is this body shower gel. This is again in the variant sweet pea. This was originally for rupees 1299. On sale I got it for 1000 or something, 1050 or 1000 rupees. So yeah, I mean talking about the candles, they're reasonable price, but these are like 200 250 difference. Third candle I bought is this winter candy apple, and this is a 1-wicked candle. It has only 1 wick, and this was originally for rupees 1499. It has like kind of Christmas or Halloween theme on it. I thought it would go with the Christmas vibe, so it would be useful in December. Again, for Christmas I bought this one. This is a candle holder that has snowman all over, snowman, pine trees, cherries. Sorry, not cherries, these are like decorative balls that we have. So this is the candle holder, which you're supposed to put your candle like this inside. So yeah, this is originally for rupees 1099, 1100 rupees, and on 50% off I got it for 550 rupees. Which is again, I thought it's reasonable because this is rose gold. On camera it's kind of showing gold, but outside it's like rose gold. So I thought it would go again good with the Christmas vibe. So I got my hands on this one. The next one is this hand soap. This is in the variant pineapple mango. So it just smells exactly like pineapple and mango. Has a beautiful fragrance. This was for rupees 699 and on 50% off I got it for rupees 349 rupees. These are all the products that I got from Bath and Body Works. So coming to Amazon, the first product is this nail set, which has like nails of all sizes. There are like 10 nails of each size with 2 glue fixes. So this is like the smaller one that they give you normally, and this is the bigger one to get your nails done, but you can't afford those for 2500 3000 rupees in nail studios. They usually cost you 2500 and 3000 rupees. If you're someone who is looking for the nails in budget, or you want to do your nails at home, then this is perfect for you. I'll insert the pictures over here. I've done like 2 or 3 times with this one. So to stick these nails, I don't personally like this glue because they don't stay like more than 2 hours. Miss Claire nail glue. If you do your nails with this one, then they'll stay more than like 3 or 4 days if you maintain them. I mean, in lesser water contact or minimal water contact or something. So this is compared to this one, this is so far better. And I don't remember the price of this one. I don't remember the price of anything, but I'll pop them over here, or I'll link in the description box below. So you can use this one to stick these nails and they work perfect. So the next product we have is this combo, the Defender Ultra Sensitive Shaving Foam range, lavender and argan. The reason I'm showing you these products is because I have used so many shaving foams from Dove, Wheat, and many more. But compared to those brands, I found this very useful because I don't know how to explain. You can feel that difference while using. People who are using conditioner to shave your legs or something, please don't do that. Always use a shaving foam. And this is also so good. Like the razor is so fine. And so sharp, so sharp in the sense it does work good. It's not like it will cut you or something, but it works good. So yeah, if you're someone who's looking for a good razor and shaving foam, then definitely check them out, and they are like very inexpensive. The next product we have is these biotin capsules. These are for hair. I mentioned 90 vegetarian tablets and I didn't even get 30 of them, if you can see. Look at that. And I'm very disappointed with this product. I don't know if I have ordered from the wrong seller. I thought there will be 90 capsules and I can use them for at least 3 months and I can groom my hair. But they've given only like 20 to 30 capsules. But still, I'll try using them and I'll try to give you the review soon. The next product we have are these Tinkle razors. We have 3 razors in one pack. This is something that I swear by. I'm using these razors since 1 year, and trust me, they didn't give me breakouts. I didn't accidentally cut myself even once. If you're someone who is starting, who is a beginner, like you were shaving your face for the first time, then go with these blindly. I'll give you the link for this in the description box below. And I don't even remember the price, but I'm sure it will be only like 100 to 150 rupees. So yeah, definitely give this a try. And I also got this table runner from Amazon, and like the fur blanket. No, you can't say blanket, but this is like a table runner with a good amount of size, which I have folded it on both of the sides because I wanted it to be the length of the table. So yeah, I folded it, and this is for rupees 600, 500 to 600 rupees. So compared to the other websites, this is so cheaper on Amazon. So yeah, this is how that looks like. You can use it for like your backdrop for flat lay pictures. This is how it looks. Also, you can use it as a table runner. Also, you can use it above the table like I used. So this is how it looks. The fur is so good, it doesn't easily come off. This is of good quality. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, please do subscribe to my channel.